Good evening and welcome to this special presentation. I am privileged to be in this workshop today, having an opportunity to share on this topic, Effective Malaria Management Approach, LLINS, the best bet. By LLINS, we are talking about long-lasting suicidal nets. This presentation has been powered by ThinkPoint Nigeria. With as dangerous as malaria is, it can be effectively managed through integrated vector management approach. Malaria can only infect man if transmitted by mosquito vector. That is, if we have a mosquito-free environment, there's no way we can have malaria incidents in our environment. Vector control strategies should be promoted to all the citizens in the country, where all approaches to manage mosquito vector, the use of long-lasting suicidal nets, should be at reach to all citizens in order to control malaria in this part of the world. ThinkPoint Nigeria use mosquito nets as an entry point to creating a culture of malaria control by developing routine, long-lasting suicidal net distribution channels through antenatal care services and schools to ensure the continuous flow of the net into communities following the universal coverage campaign. We also enhance community value of and demand for long-lasting suicidal nets through both public and private sectors. ThinkPoint Nigeria intervention objective. We basically have two objectives in our campaign. The first is to create a culture of sleeping under an long-lasting suicidal net every night. This can be achieved through an enhanced value attached to mosquito nets and also to create a sustainable demand for nets in private sectors beyond free distribution. Secondly, we promote other malaria control key behaviors. For instance, seeking treatment within 24 hours of fever onset, testing for malaria before treatment, adhering to the test results, and also adhering to prescribed treatment. There are lots of misconceptions when it comes to malaria treatment, but if we could adhere to lab tests and we seek proper prescription for malaria treatment, it can go a long way to helping in treatment of malaria in our society. We also adopt multi-channels intervention targeted at the ecosystem of behaviors. We use mass media, for instance, radio. Through this, we have interpersonal communication through community dialogues. We also engage local government leadership by creating enabling environment. We also do social mobilization through schools and also at point sales materials, for instance, in drug shops, in pharmacies, and also at antenatal care mobilization, that's at the health facilities. The basic key elements we use in our intervention, we classify them into two, the push and the pull. Under the push, we carry out campaigns to address key motivators, such as have a good night sleep. That's when you sleep under long-lasting suicidal nets. You also will wake up more energized, and also you'll be more productive as you engage having a good night's sleep under long-lasting suicidal nets, and you become more productive for that day, and also Sleeping under long-lasting suicidal net is a way of life. Under the pool approach, we have support provided to private sector development by training and mentoring drug shop owners on how to leverage on the campaign, and also promote participation of private outlets as a source of quality mosquito net distribution. We are indeed grateful for some of our partners. We appreciate the management and staff of ThinkPort Nigeria, and also the support we gotten from the Kwara State Ministry of Health and also VectorLink Management. One of the safest ways we can assure eradication and elimination of malaria in this part of the world is promoting vector management approach through the use of long-lasting suicidal nets. Thank you so much for being part of this presentation.